Discover how to turn your templates into journals and planners. This is a perfect course for you if you want to get into KDP low content, book publishing and printables. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Bee. Welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books, Etsy and affiliate marketing with new training each week. So be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to introduce you to the course that got me started with KDP low content book publishing, and it's all about using PowerPoint and other different things. It's a course that just keeps growing and growing and getting better and better. So why am I telling you about it today? I'm telling you about it today because it is on a 50% sale for one day only, which is the 23rd of December 2020 at 8 AM Eastern Standard Time, and it finishes on the 24th of December at 8 AM Eastern Standard Time, and you must use the coupon code ADVENT2020 and the link will be down in the description. So let's have a look at the sales page. So it says, want to discover easy ways to turn your templates into journals and planners. So if you've got into this market, you've probably bought loads of templates and then don't know where to start. You've probably got overwhelmed. Well, this is the way to do it. Now, PowerPoint, I love to use PowerPoint to actually create planners and journals and low content books. But when I first heard that you could do it with PowerPoint, I was shocked. No, PowerPoint's for presenting. And I used it for years for that very purpose as a teacher. And I also taught students how to use it, but not in this way. And I learned a lot of hints, tips and tricks from Sue Fleckenstein, who has created this course over at Createful Journals. So this is Sue, and she talks about her love of PowerPoint and why it's so easy to use to do this. So there are 12 modules in this course. It's a welcome and a resource file. Module 1 is a course walkthrough. Module 2 is about PowerPoint tips and tricks. Module 3 is about the different options for selling your journals, not just with KDP and not just with Etsy. There are other platforms you can be selling on. Module 4, setting up your website. And a lot of people believe in selling through their own website because you can actually make a higher premium in sales. Then there's module 5, which is about marketing. Module 6, advanced training. Module 7, she's got you covered when it comes to publishing on KDP as well as publishing on Lulu. And then she talks about fillable PDFs, creating printables and digital planners. And then in module 12 there's a bonus for Photoshop. And no, you don't need to use Photoshop, but the training is there for you. Also, there's a private members group on Facebook where you can ask different questions, get feedback and support. And the course has grown because different people have asked her questions, things have changed, things have moved on, and she's added things into the course. So you also get a template package that's included, which was created in PowerPoint. You can see what she's done, how she's done it, how she's created it, and how she's made it so beautiful. Obviously, if she's selling it in color, she might be selling it on Lulu as a spiral bound, or she might be selling it on Etsy as a printable, or even on Gumroad. But the grayscale ones tend to be for KDP because color printing is quite expensive on KDP. So by the end of the course, you'll be able to create your own journal effortlessly, and that is what happened to me when I took this course, and it was 2 years ago. It was June of 2018 I purchased this course, and it has changed since then, but I created my first planner using this course and I made sales organically with it. Obviously I've taken different courses since then, grown since then, but this is getting to know the technical side of creating these. So it's all about how to edit your current templates that you've got, how to make them unique, the template backgrounds, the designs, how to use tables to create planners quickly, planners from scratch, the different sizes that's involved, because in the US people print off using letter size, but in the rest of the world it tends to be printed off using A4, and then there's all different sizes, not just in inches, but A4, A5, A1, A2, all the different sizes there, and then there's B's and C's as well. So there's all these different step-by-step tutorials. The link will be in the description so you can read the sales page yourself. Don't forget, if you're going to purchase this, to use the coupon code 2020, and it'll give you 50% off, because this course at the moment is $147. So if you use the coupon code Advent 2020, it'll be $73.50. So let's pop in and see the course. Well, this is the course, and I have been through it several times. I keep coming back. I'm going through it again because there's new and more advanced different things on. The beauty of it is the videos are not very long. They tend to be between 3 and 15 minutes. They're broken down so that you can easily follow along, and you can be doing the tasks, you can be creating different tests, opening up PowerPoint, following her along as she explains about margin settings, using shapes, fonts, using sketch edges to give it a unique look on your shapes, grayscale, the joys of being able to use SVGs in PowerPoint. Obviously you need an updated PowerPoint in order to do that. The previous ones did not do SVGs. In fact, PowerPoint, every time it upgrades, seems to have more and more graphic abilities. I think they have realized that people are using their tool for something more than just presenting. So she also talks about where you can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, Lulu, and also creating your website. She talks about using Thrive Architect, which is a paid for plugin, but it's a really good plugin, and it also integrates with WooCommerce. But she also gives you the option of using a no-cost page builder called Elementor, and how to add your buy buttons using PayPal. But you can also use WooCommerce. So it's about customizing your colors and your branding, getting to know your niche, getting to know your target market, and advertising using Pinterest tips and templates. And she's got quite a few training here where she goes through. There's a number of different videos walking you all the way through it, where to get your images from, using PowerPoint to create your templates, and using Canva to create your templates. And don't forget, Canva has a freemium model, so there's lots of things you can use for free on that. Then she walks you through publishing on Amazon, publishing on Lulu, fillable PDFs, creating printables, which you can be selling on either your own website or on Etsy, and then digital planners, which is the new market that is just growing and growing. And there are different apps out there that people have for their digital planners, such as GoodNotes, Notability, OneNote, and the new Xenia app. And then there's the bonus Photoshop training. Usual price $147 for all of this that gets updated, and there is a Facebook group where she's in and will answer questions, and if it's needed we'll put the training inside this members area. So for one day only, on the 23rd of December 2020, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to the 24th of December, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can get it for 50% off only if you use the coupon code Advent 2020, and instead of $147, it's $73.50. The link will be down in the description along with the coupon code Advent 2020. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, go and watch the video again or ask questions in the comments. Over on the right hand side there are some training and review videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to be notified about any new videos on my channel.